Hello everyone, welcome to Clockify. So what exactly is this tool? This tool allows us to track time spent on tasks or projects. It's also great for organization when working in a team. Overall, it helps us stay organized, right? It manages current and future tasks, durations, and deadlines. Essentially, it's an organizational tool. It offers reports, activities, rates, projects, locations, planning, time off, approvals, billing, expenses, and team management. It's a great tool for better planning our work. To start, click free sign up and continue with Google or Apple. Once inside, hit start. They'll ask a few quick questions. This helps them understand who we are and how to improve. And there we are, inside the app. Alright, let's see how we can use the tracker in Clockify. The tracker is basically this counter here where we can create different projects. For example, let's create a test project. No template, no clients. We just create what we need. And now we're working on the test project. Test time, we simply hit start. And as you can see, a counter begins. This helps us track the time we spend on each task. If you close and reopen the page, does it keep counting? Of course it keeps counting. We just hit stop and there's our project. As you can see, it shows we've worked for 15 seconds. We can modify it if we want. For instance, we can change the time and see how long we've worked. We can also continue with this timer for this activity if we want. We can resume, duplicate, delete, and more. That's how we use this time counter. The beauty is seeing work time in the calendar. The panel shows hours spent on various projects. Reports and projects are available. Recorded time is shown here, which is useful. Team, clients, tags, and other features. This is how we can utilize Clockify. That's how it works, not much else to it. It's really that straightforward. Alright, how do I invite people to my team? Okay, in case we want multiple people working on a larger project, we go to Team, click Add New Member, and simply enter the email. Got it? As you can see, we can create different groups and more, right? The thing is, it's that simple. Note that your colleague doesn't need Clockify, but to use it, they'll need an account. Clear? Alright, how can we view statistics in Clockify? Well, it's simple. We'll go to Calendar. In Calendar, we can see a bit of everyone's work, but mainly in Dashboard. Let's go to Dashboard. Here we have info on work done for each project. Then in Reports, we start to see the team's work. We can select individually to see how much we've worked personally, the hours worked, the project, the tasks. We can filter all types of information in the reports section, and here we'd have access to all the information. We can apply filters, yes, but we can also save them. We can save the amount, export as PDF or other formats. We can also round up, but we need the paid plan for that. As you can see, we have access to this very useful data. Alright, let's take a look at Clockify's pricing plans and hit update. There we have the pricing plans. As you can see, I'm currently on the free plan, which is always free. Then we move to the basic plans starting at $4 per month, which include all free features, plus they add time, adding for others, hiding time in pages, required fields, bulk editing, decimal format, time audits, custom exports, and break zones. Next is the standard plan with leave management, invoicing, approvals, goals, reminders, user roles, and task rates. The prices are quite low. The Pro plan is more interesting, with labor cost and profit options, which I think are pretty basic. Lastly, there's Enterprise with all Pro features, plus single sign-on, a custom subdomain to manage all accounts, and an audit log. So that's how we can use this tool. I think the prices are fair, it's a good tool, and that's about it.